often, I think as data scientists, you're more cognizant about it, but what about the organizations? Because these conversations, sometimes I say that machine learning is not only just the math and statistics, it's also psychology, neuroscience, and philosophy all together. So these conversations take longer, like for example, if you want to spend time on making sure we don't have these biases, organizations have to do their due diligence. Talk to me a little bit about how do you inculcate that awareness inside organizations? Because in organizations, not everybody is working on machine learning models. You're dealing with the sales department, which needs to meet their quota. You have your marketing department, and they all have, like, they run at a fast pace, but how do you convince them to stop and think about this? And what are some ways that you spread awareness about it in organizations? Ashish?
Yeah, I'll start there actually. So this is a very important point, and we have actually lived into this for the last couple of years. In fact, since Satya became the CEO, one of the things that he did is across the board, he had a training essentially that every employee goes through. It's called implicit bias, right? Again, the idea is very simple that we all have it. Awareness of having an implicit bias is very, very important, right? We can't be one-sided by it. So that's one way, from the top, making sure that every employee, not only employee, actually, we extended the training to vendors as well. Whoever is working at Microsoft, we go through that training. Because, big corporations have, at least 10 to 15% of their staff actually is non-employees, right? Not FTE. So we did that just from a purely understanding what biases are and human biases, right? And then, 2 years back, we actually published our ethics. So we have this group called Ethics and AI group in Microsoft, and we published 6 principles essentially, including transparency, awareness is one, integrity with the data, confidentiality, how we manage the data.